Hey there, Virgo. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot, and this is a reading for your love life for the month of October. And I have already shuffled card and pull out card for you because I have already done a reading for in another language. Now I will tell you what our cards come up for you. The Ace of Swords, Two of Cups, Seven of Swords, and Five of Cups. And underneath the deck you have Queen of Cup, Knight of Swords, Seven of Wands, Four of Pentacles, and Page of Swords. So it's like that there is some kind of news about your partner. Maybe that your partner is holding their emotions from you, or maybe or they are defending their emotions from you, but you are rushing toward your partner, or maybe you are defending your emotion from someone. But this Queen of Cup maybe is your partner, or maybe this water element sign is your partner, is rushing toward you, and you are defending yourself from this person. Maybe you are dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but it's like that maybe this person has some eyes on you, and maybe this person spy on you, and every time this person has eye on you, what you do, what you do not, and you are holding yourself from this person. Maybe someone is spying over you, or you are spying over someone. Someone is rushing to someone, and someone is defending themselves. But now you can pick up your energy. You know very well who is rushing and who is defending. So these energy can be vice versa. So it can be your energy and your partner's energy. But this Queen of Cup has not a good intention towards you, or maybe your love life. You are defending yourself, this Queen of Cup. Or maybe this is your partner, maybe someone else outside of your relationship. So you are having some kind of clarity in your love life in the month of October. You are entering in the month of October with clarity in your mind about your partner, and you are having some good time with your partner in the start of the month. And or maybe new communication beginning is you are having with your partner, or maybe new ideas to make your love life better, and maybe some clarity or truth is come out regarding your partner, or maybe your relationship. Or maybe your partner is doing behind the scenes something which is maybe behind the scene, or you are doing some kind of things behind the scene with your partner because of this person who is rushing toward you, or from that person you want to defend yourself and your love life, or maybe your partner. So someone is disappointed here. Maybe people around you are doing good with your partner, and some people around you don't like it, and they are maybe trying to do some sneaky behavior, sneaky things behind you to make to affect your love life badly. Or maybe someone has bad intention, that's why they cannot your new beginning with your partner, and they are very much disappointed. So let's see, maybe this Queen of Cup is that person who is disappointing and doing behind the scenes things, because Queen of Cup has some kind of jealousy, emotional and jealousies, jealous nature. So maybe this Queen of Cup, it can be that person. So I clarified this Seven of Swords card. So I got these cards that someone is doing behind the scene. Maybe it's kind of magic, like a thing someone is doing behind magic to affect your love life. But it is like that you are doing good behind the scene with your partner. There you are generous toward your partner, and you are starting something new, some fresh chapter in your love life, which is very much generous, balanced, and you are having all things in your hand. You are doing things effectively, but you are doing this behind the scene, and hiding the things from other people's. You are doing good in your married life, or if not, you are not married, you are doing with your partner behind the scene, and you want secretly giving some marriage proposal to this person. That's why you are having a new beginning in your love life, because you are afraid of these people who are always fight, mind game, and manipulating and affect your marriage by this manipulating behavior. People do things behind the scene, maybe affect your love life. So you have to protect, you have to defend, you have to protect your love life, your partner, from this person's rushing behavior towards you. Maybe this Queen of Cup is a energy of these sneaky peoples around you. They are rushing toward you to affect your love life. So you have to defend yourself, you have to defend your partner, your love life, your marriage life from these peoples. So you are doing behind the scenes something to make your love life effective, or maybe something good you are doing good, and someone is not liking it. So I clarify this five of cups with these two cards, two of cups and ace of pentacle. Two of cups twice in your reading. So it's mean that you want some stable connection with your partner, you in your love life, stability and your love relationship, some good time with your partner, but someone is not liking, or you are having good time with your partner and you are having some new beginning in your love life, practical new beginning, something good and tangible coming in towards you, which is helpful to you to make your love life better. But this is not uh, someone will not like it, and they will be disappointed about this opportunity which is you are having with your partner. Or maybe it's like that you are having some good opportunity to make your love life better, and you are rejecting these opportunities. That's why your partner is in this disappointment that they lost that opportunity to have the good love life, good marriage life with you. So underneath the deck of these two clarifier, you have the Hangman, Queen of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So waiting period is ending. This painful waiting period is ending. Maybe this is your partner. You are doing good in your life. Some waiting period and painful situation is ending for this person, this Queen of Wands. Maybe you are dealing with fire sign. This fire sign is your partner, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So some painful situation is going to end, and something new beautiful is going to start, which is not liking people around you who is doing manipulation always in your love life or married life. So Virgo, something good is coming toward you in month of October. Hope you will accept it. And this was your reading for the month of October regarding your love life. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.